Welcome back to NextLux Reviews, your ultimate destination for luxury innovation and futuristic motorhomes. Today we step into a world where class meets technology and elegance meets performance. The all-new Bentley Motorhome 2027 USA Edition. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling mansion, a statement of status, and a dream for those who believe luxury should move with them across the wide, open highways of the United States. So sit back, relax, and imagine the future of travel, the Bentley way. At first glance, the Bentley Motorhome 2027 commands your attention with its massive yet elegant structure that redefines what we thought a motorhome could look like. The front design is sculpted with precision, featuring Bentley's signature diamond mesh grille wrapped in polished chrome, giving it that unmistakable British sophistication. The headlights, inspired by Bentley's Continental GT, feature futuristic crystal LED technology with adaptive high-beam assistance that scans the road ahead like intelligent eyes. Move around to the side profile and you'll see the beauty of balance. Massive alloy wheels with a deep black chrome finish, integrated under soft ambient wheel arches. The design flows seamlessly from front to back, with smooth aerodynamic lines that make this massive motorhome look unbelievably sleek. The rear section is just as majestic, with two vertical taillights shaped like illuminated wings that emphasize Bentley's design heritage. The subtle integration of chrome and glass detailing gives the back a yacht-like presence, elegant, powerful, and timeless. The USA Edition offers colors like Arctic Pearl White, Deep Ocean Blue, and Midnight Black Crystal, each finished with Bentley's signature hand-polished coating. Every shade reflects differently under sunlight, turning this motorhome into a moving piece of art. It's not just a vehicle you drive, it's one you arrive in. Bentley calls the body shape a baby shape, a perfect harmony between power and grace. The front sits low and wide, giving a supercar-like stance, while the upper deck rises like a glass penthouse floating elegantly above the chassis. From every angle, it whispers perfection. And for the USA audience, it's a head-turner that blends British luxury with American freedom. Whether you're cruising along California's Pacific Coast Highway or exploring the Rocky Mountains, this machine looks like it belongs everywhere. Step inside and everything changes. The door opens with a silent electronic glide, and you're welcomed by soft amber ambient lighting, real wood veneers, and hand-stitched leather walls. The living room feels like stepping into a 5-star penthouse. Two large swivel recliners upholstered in premium Napa leather face, a retractable 77-inch OLED smart display built seamlessly into the wall. Bentley's designers call this mobile tranquility because every inch is built to relax the mind. The panoramic roof opens up to reveal the sky, with electrochromic glass that adjusts tint automatically based on sunlight. A minibar crafted with crystal decanters and a built-in espresso unit reminds you this is Bentley luxury on the go. The lighting system, known as Bentley Atmosphere, adapts to your mood. Warm gold for comfort, cool blue for night drives, or soft white for early mornings. Moving further back, you enter the master suite where luxury becomes personal. A queen-sized bed, hand-stitched with the Bentley Flying B emblem, sits against a walnut wood panel with hidden storage compartments. The bed base adjusts electronically, allowing you to lift, tilt, or recline it with a single touch. On both sides, crystal lamps with soft glow dimmers and built-in wireless chargers add comfort and convenience. Opposite the bed, a curved 50-inch smart TV folds out from the ceiling, with surround sound tuned by Naim Audio, Bentley's exclusive sound partner. The bathroom is a masterpiece featuring heated marble floors, a rainfall shower, and gold-plated fittings. The walls are finished in high-gloss veneer with a soft-touch matte finish, while the smart mirror displays weather updates, calendar reminders, and trip information. This isn't just travel, it's living in luxury redefined. The kitchen combines design with practicality, using aerospace materials to stay lightweight yet strong. You'll find dual induction cooktops, a built-in refrigerator, dishwasher, and even a voice-controlled oven. Every appliance integrates with Bentley's AI travel assistant, allowing you to say commands like, "Prepare dinner mode," and the system automatically adjusts lighting, activates ventilation, and sets temperature for cooking comfort. For the USA market, Bentley added extra storage and a large freshwater tank, perfect for long road trips across states. Now let's talk power. Under the hood sits a 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged W12 engine, tuned specially for motorhome dynamics. Yes, Bentley kept the legendary V12 heart, Refined for efficiency and torque, it delivers an astonishing 900 horsepower and 1100 Nm of torque, giving this luxury beast enough strength to glide up mountain roads effortlessly. The transmission is an 8-speed automatic with adaptive control that learns your driving style and adjusts shifts accordingly. Despite its size, this motorhome accelerates with surprising smoothness, 0 to 60 mph in under 6.8 seconds, impressive for something over 15 tons. But Bentley's engineering focuses not just on speed, but comfort. An advanced air ride suspension ensures the smoothest drive imaginable, while adaptive sensors scan the road 1,000 times per second to adjust ride height automatically and maintain that floating Bentley feel. The USA Edition introduces a hybrid mode combining electric torque assist for city driving, ideal for California, New York, and eco-restricted zones. The result is a perfect mix of raw power, whisper-quiet operation, and environmental responsibility. The Bentley Motorhome 2027 is also incredibly smart. It includes a holographic dashboard, a voice interactive control center, and 4D navigation that uses satellite data to predict road conditions ahead. Every system, from temperature to lighting, can be controlled via your smartphone or the Bentley Wrist Companion. The vehicle is equipped with 5G Ultra Connect for real-time video calls, streaming, and remote monitoring when parked. It even features Level 4 self-driving capability, what Bentley calls Cruise Lounge mode, allowing you to recline and let the AI chauffeur handle everything: steering, braking, and lane changing. Safety is another area where Bentley has redefined expectations. You get 360° LiDAR monitoring, collision avoidance radar, thermal vision night cameras, and an emergency AI override system. The body structure is built from carbon titanium composite, offering incredible strength while keeping weight balanced. Whether you're driving through the deserts of Nevada or the snowy peaks of Colorado, it performs like a tank wrapped in silk. And then comes the question everyone wants to know: the price. In the United States, the starting price for the Bentley Motorhome 2027 USA Edition is around $4.5 million, depending on custom options. But remember, this isn't just a purchase, it's an experience. Each unit is hand-built in limited numbers and tailored specifically for each buyer. Bentley offers personalized interior themes, from New York modern to California serenity, making each motorhome truly unique. As we look at this incredible creation, one thing becomes clear: the Bentley Motorhome 2027 isn't just transportation, it's transformation. It's for those who don't just travel, they arrive. For those who seek perfection, not attention. For those who see every mile as an opportunity to experience beauty, comfort, and technology working together. This was your exclusive look at the Bentley Motorhome 2027 USA Edition, right here on Next Lux Reviews, where luxury meets the future. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because the future of travel deserves your attention. Until next time, drive smart, live luxuriously, and stay inspired. This is Next Lux Reviews signing off.